The fourth product on this list is the Apple iMac. The Apple iMac is designed to make your work and entertainment experience seamless and enjoyable. Powered by the Apple M4 chip, it offers remarkable performance, allowing you to handle tasks like photo editing, gaming, and presentations effortlessly. The 24-inch 4.5K Retina display provides vibrant, sharp visuals with up to 1 billion colors, making it perfect for multimedia use. Whether you're working on business tasks or enjoying movies, the display ensures you won't miss a single detail. One of the standout features of the iMac is its thin, elegant design that fits perfectly into any space. Available in 7 vibrant colors, it adds a touch of personality to your room or office. It's not just about looks. The iMac is also built with Apple Intelligence, offering advanced privacy protections and making sure your data stays secure. The iMac is also packed with advanced technology, including a 12MP center stage camera, studio-quality microphones, and 6 speakers with spatial audio for a rich multimedia experience. With up to 4 Thunderbolt 4 ports and Wi-Fi 6E, connectivity is fast and easy, and you can even connect up to 2 external 6K displays for an expanded workspace. While the iMac is incredibly powerful, one drawback is its relatively limited storage capacity of 256 GB, which may not be enough for users with large files or extensive libraries. Additionally, its integrated graphics may not satisfy those looking for high-end gaming or graphic-intensive work. Still haven't found the best all-in-one desktop computer for your needs? Keep on watching because the next 3 products will surely blow your mind. If this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for the latest reviews of techs you can't live without.